Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue the video lesson of chapter number 10 of history, in which we are discussing about the lower caste reform movements. In this module, we shall study about the movements spread in Central India and the movements led by Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So let's begin the movement spread in Central India. Ghasidas, he was an untouchable and belonged to the cobbler caste of Bilaspur, which is in Madhya Pradesh. He launched the Satnami movement to oppose the caste system. He propagated that all men were equal and struggled to raise the social status of the cobbler caste. He laid down the concept of Satnam, that is, single God. After his death, his son Balak Das, he carried forward the work of Satnami movement. Let's talk about the caste reform movement of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in 1915. He gave a new life to the lower caste movement of India. In 1916, he founded the Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat and opened its door for all religions. He referred to the untouchables as Harijan or children of God. He constantly worked for the upliftment of the Harijan and provided them a respectable place in the society. He started Harijan Sevak Sangh to provide medical education and technical facilities to the Harijans. He published a weekly journal, Harijan, in 1933, which reported about all the constructive work being done for the improvement of the Harijans. Between November 1933 to August 1934, he undertook a Harijan tour to spread the message of equality of all castes among Indians. He said the welfare of the untouchable is a penance which the Hindus have to do for the sin of untouchability. Gandhiji's struggle for the untouchables also helped in the promotion of the feeling of nationalism among the depressed section of the society. Let's talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, he was born in the Meher caste that was regarded as untouchables. Since his childhood, he had faced the oppression of the caste system. When he grew up, he wanted to integrate the untouchables in the mainstream society by educating them and by the exercise of legal rights. He organized mass campaigns and demanded for a separate electorate for the untouchables. In 1924, he founded the Institute for Depressed Classes, that is Bahishkrit Hitkarni Sabha in Bombay. In 1927, he organized the Samaj Sammata Sangh to propagate his ideas of social equality among all classes of society. In the same year, he started a fortnightly Marathi magazine, Bahishkrit Bharat, in which he wrote about the humiliations suffered by the backward classes. These were some of the movements which were started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, in which Mahad March and Kala Ram Temple, they became very popular. Mahad Satyagraha or Mahad March of 1927 was a movement to establish the rights of untouchables to draw water from the public wells and tanks. Likewise, Kalaram Temple Satyagraha, it was led to ensure the entry of untouchables into the temples of premises. In 1942, Dr. Ambedkar founded the Scheduled Caste Federation that launched satyagrahas in Bombay, Pune, Lucknow and Kanpur. Dr. Ambedkar, he declared that the only way to get rid of untouchability was to renounce the Hindu religion. He gave the slogan, "You have nothing to lose except your religion." Because of the efforts of local as well as national leaders, the depressed classes played a major role in the mass movement as well as the national movement. In 1950, the Indian Constitution declared abolition of untouchability. For the matchless efforts of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990. So dear children, it's bringing me to the end of the chapter. I hope that you will find the chapter beneficial. Thank you. Have a nice day.